Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 motorcycle gloves. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected motorcycle snowmobile heated gloves. Specifications: brand name, Moto. Item type, gloves. Feature, full finger. Material, polyester and cotton. Gender, unisex. Features, touch screen, waterproof, 3 temperature control options, rechargeable Li-ion battery, heating. Certification, FC/CE/RoHS. Fit, for motorcycle, electric scooter, bike. Item number 2 is motorcycle heated gloves touchscreen winter warm skiing gloves. Specifications: brand name, Moto. Origin, CN origin. Item type, gloves. Feature, full finger. Material, polyester and cotton. Gender, unisex. Features, touchscreen, waterproof, 3 temperature control options, rechargeable Li-ion battery, heating. Certification, FC/CE/RoHS. Battery capacity, 2600 mAh lithium batteries. Fitment, fit for electric scooter, bike. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Duhan heated gloves. Specifications: brand name, Duhan. Origin, CN origin. Item type, gloves. Feature, full finger. Material, 100% polyester. Gender, unisex. Clothing type, motorcycle equipment, racing gloves, riding gloves. Model number, DS1910 DS1920. Color, blue, red, gray. Size, M, L, XL, 2XL. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.